How to change scroll speed in Osu. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change scroll speed in Osu. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Osu Mania. After that, navigate to the options menu. So once you're under your options menu, you have to look at the settings that says scale Osu Mania scroll speed with BPM. So once you find that option, if it is unchecked, then that means the scroll speed remains constant across all the songs. If it is checked, the scroll speed adjusts based on the song's BPM. Now, in order to set a fixed scroll speed, you have to uncheck the above option, that is the scale Osu Mania scroll speed with BPM. After that, you can adjust the scroll speed slider to your desired value. There, most players find a range between 25 and 35 comfortable, but this varies upon your personal preference. Now, during your gameplay, you can fine-tune the scroll speed as well. In order to do that, you can press Ctrl plus key to increase the scroll speed, or press Ctrl plus minus key to decrease the scroll speed. So that's the way to change scroll speed in Osu, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.